tayo sa loob. Kung ano namang walang tear sa back part, although I haven't gone all the way to the back. We'll do that in a while. Medial meniscus, this is the body. Walang tears. Anterior horn ng medial meniscus, wala rin tears. Ito yung border ng anterior meniscus. And the cartilage sa tibia is no longer pristine and it's actually softening a bit. Na-i-indent na. So that's beginning arthritis. Pasok pa tayo sa loob. Ito actually yan, dito medyo na-expose na ng konti. Gusto na mag-peel off ng cartilage yan. This is tibial cartilage yan. This is grade 2 cartilage lesion. You see the back part nung medial meniscus, medyo frayed ng konti yung edges dun sa back part. Not as good as the front part. And then, cartilage ng femur niya is this. Yan. So this is arthritis ng medial knee. Yan. But that's all the way up here. Sira na yung cartilage ng femur. The yellowish stuff under the cartilage is bone. Subchondral bone. Nag-umpisa ng lumabas. I should wire this. So that's what's causing yung ano niya, yung knee pain niya. Wala siyang meniscal tear, it's a bit of meniscal fraying, but she has medial compartment osteoarthritis. Well, we'll just clean the rough edges and then we're done na. This is arthroscopic treatment. Okay, this medial lateral wall of the medial condyle, that's the ACL over there. Yeah. ACL is intact. Lateral. So this lateral meniscus over here. Yeah. Meron na rin wear and tear yung cartilage sa lateral feet. So yes, she has arthritis on both compartments of her knee. Pero yung femoral condyle on the lateral side still looks okay. Largely, kaya probe natin kung walang mga malalanggap na part. It's okay, ang ganda pa, matigas pa. Consistent pa yung density ng lateral condyle. There's no pitting sa lateral condyle. Some will advocate microfracture technique. Butasin yung buto para dun. Pero at this point, hindi pa ganun ka napaka-active yung layer. Ganun lang natin ang konti yung mga rough edges by using content. So basically it causes electrically charged heat para ma-denature yung mga proteins dyan.
Okay, tapos i-pump ninyo yung kana. Sige. Yan. Masakit? Hindi. Hindi na masakit. Okay. Yan. Masakit pa yung port wounds, the stab wounds in front are of course still painful. But the knee itself is no longer painful on weight bearing, which is exactly yung gusto natin mangyari. Okay. Sige. Tapos lakad-lakad kayo. Okay. Mag-practice kayo maglakad-lakad. Hindi bawal maglakad. It's actually encouraged na igalaw ninyo yung tubig. Para may go home na. So basically, parang day surgery lang ito.